Today I'm making baked eggs with a really tasty tomato filling. I'll be using Heritage Breed's Copper Marans hen eggs for an incredibly tasty dish.
And this recipe is enough to serve 2 people. Now, we're going to begin by making a filling, so take 1 garlic clove and using a sharp knife, peel and finely chop. Set the garlic aside, then take 1 spring onion, cut the ends off and finely chop as well. Next, take a saucepan, place over a medium heat on the stove, drizzle in some olive oil and heat up. Add the spring onion and garlic and fry for about 5 minutes, stirring continuously. Then add 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, followed by a pinch of salt for seasoning. Give the contents of the pan a stir and leave to simmer over a low heat for between 10 and 15 minutes to allow the juices to reduce down. After the simmering time, remove the pan from the stove and take 2 ramekins. Split the tomato mixture between the 2, then crack an egg into each one. And for best results, it's important to use eggs from hens that have been fed on a nutritious and wholesome diet, which means you'll have a lovely thick white and a tasty yolk. When both the ramekins are ready, put them on a baking tray and place in the oven, preheated to 200 degrees centigrade, 375 Fahrenheit, for between 10 and 15 minutes. After the cooking time and when the egg whites have just turned white, they're ready to take from the oven. Sprinkle the eggs with some freshly chopped parsley and then these baked eggs are ready to enjoy straight away.
And be sure to see more of my recipes using Heritage Breed's eggs by clicking on one of the videos on the screen.